Well, 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 well. Well, folks, here it is. The new C8. And I gotta admit, that shit is bad. I didn't even mean to curse right then, but yeah, that is bad. That is super, super bad. Yeah. But the question is, would I buy it? And the answer is initially, nope, absolutely not. I would not buy the first gen of this car or any first generation American made car that costs this much money, even though they say it's only going to be $60,000. That's still a lot of money. $60,000. It's still a lot of money, but for this one, it's not going to be $60,000. Maybe this one. But these over here, like this is probably a base model right here, the white one. These two have probably got a little extra on them. Like this one, like it's got a bigger wing. I can't wait for the next model, the Z06 or whatever they're gonna come up with next. Cause if they do it like they did the Grand Sport, cause when the Stingray came out, I didn't like the Stingray. Just like I don't like this. But when they brought out the Z06, woo, whole new world. Yeah, make you sing off key. But I wouldn't buy it. I still wouldn't buy it. I still would not buy it. And the reason is, I just think the first generation of anything is just not, it's not good. But if you're a YouTuber, right, and you got, you know, the money to burn, say like somebody like Street Speed, yeah, I would buy this. Because I mean, apparently he makes enough money where he don't even care about the warranties. He can mod his cars as soon as you get them. And you know, when you're making that kind of money, you don't care nothing about warranty and all that. So he can afford to do that. But for us mere mortals, yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. It's a bad car though. Anybody that say it's not a bad car is, I'm just gonna go ahead and say they lying. Cause to me, this version here, which I think he says a Z51 package. This version right here, yeah, that's a sweet ride. That is definitely a sweet ride, and they are going to sell a lot of these at $60K. Yeah, they're gonna sell a lot of these. And so if you're a person that's, you know, you're a Corvette guy, I don't know if you're a traditional Corvette guy who's kind of bemoaning on the internet, but because it's no longer front engine. But you know, this thing right here, I mean, I don't think it's going to appeal to everybody initially, but I think after a while it's going to really grow on people, because this is badass. This is badass. This is definitely competing and actually kicking the ass of, sorry Ferrari guys, Porsche guys, and then you're gonna bring it in at 60K. That shit, they finna kill the game with this, man. Look at that, they finna kill the game with this. It's some supercar people need to be shaking in their boots. They finna sell a lot of these. This car is gonna really sell. If it doesn't have a whole bunch of problems. I will say to any Corvette potential buyer is overlook the paint issues, because you're gonna have some. Don't do like I did and try to go get the shit fixed at the dealer. Just suck it up and keep it moving if you have some small stuff like that. You shouldn't have any transmission problems because it's dual clutch automatics. I ain't gonna lie, the more I look at this, the more I want to plop down my $60,000. And I don't even like this Stingray, but this is the Z51. I can't imagine what the Z06 or the Zora or whatever the hell they're gonna call the next one is gonna look like. I look at this, I don't see how much they can improve it, how they can improve this. Cause to me, that shit is bad. Yeah, that car is, this one here with the stands, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. But yeah, never buy a first gen car. So that's my take. And why I wouldn't buy the first one is simply because they still got to work out the kinks, man. You know, just like the 2015 C7, that car had some problems. I mean, they fixed them, but still, there's problems. You know, for you, this is a working man's car. This is not a car for people that are super rich. I mean, they can easily buy it and probably will, but a working man, you know, he doesn't need a whole bunch of problems with his car. You ain't got time to be trying to, you know, take it back to the dealership, take off work. You know, this car needs to come off the blocks working perfect, and I just don't think it's gonna do that. But I gotta admit, it's beautiful. That is a beautiful car. Yeah, that is a beautiful car. I want one, but I would definitely not buy one. But good luck to those people that do. And like I said, I think they did probably a pretty good job. First gen cars to me is just a bad idea. Now maybe 2021, yeah, who knows? You know, I might get one of these in 2021. And if they start getting good reviews and no problems with them, hey, then I don't see nothing wrong with buying a first gen. But I just think that this first model, they gonna still work out. So you're gonna be beta testing this sucker. In any case, I'm out. That's my reasons why I wouldn't buy one right now. But it is beautiful. They did their due diligence when they designed this. I don't know a lot of people that's not gonna like this car. I really don't. Anyway, peace.